Guys, this is Andre and Doug again, and I'll show you this thing that I buy in the National Bookstore. And I buy this because it's kinda cool. Just like this. Kinda master this. Just like this. Wait. They got wrong. With keys in the purpose. Just like that. And when you put it, just like this. And one more time. That. It's very simple. This and that. This. A lot of people do this. Like that. But they're doing it wrong. Some sisters, this. But they do it wrong, just like this. Like that. You will not pull it so hard, just like this. You're not gonna do it. Yeah, just like that. You're not gonna break your teeth. Thanks for watching. Like this video, watch my other video, subscribe, and bye.